Preeti Zinta has been the only actor whose poster I had in my cupboard. Again, she's a woman who's always confident, and she is always fought all the odds. There's a lot of controversy going around this, and I would not love to be a part of it.
So you have to tell me why will you swipe right and left? Okay. So,
Okay. So left is
left
accept
is
and right
reject.
is left
Right
is reject. Right is okay. Cool.
Okay. Nora Fateh.
Nora Fateh. Definitely right.
Why?
Definitely right. I have been a part of two brand campaigns where she was with me, and I've seen the hard work that she has been putting since a long time.
Yeah.
I've seen the hours of sweat and blood that go into the way she performs. The hours and hours that go into practicing for such a finesse, and I'm just amazed by her growth over the years. She's such a fantastic talent, and what a kick-ass dancer, yeah. What a kick-ass performer. I just
Absolutely.
love everything she does.
Okay. Malaika.
Again, yeah, it has to be right. Because who's not in awe of Malaika? That smile, that stature, she's got the dancer's body. How they say, the dancers have the perfect posture and the posture to die for. She's a woman of substance. Her confidence is felt just through her aura itself. So, yeah.
Okay. Kriti Sanon.
Kriti Sanon, yes, definitely right. Again, तुम मुझे कोई लेफ्ट वाले ऑप्शन दे ही नहीं रहे. Why Kriti Sanon right? Why Kriti Sanon? Why Kriti Sanon is right? Because I really admire the work that she does, and I've seen she's also from Delhi, so I have that kind of a personal feeling also for her. यार अपने शहर की लड़की है, and look at her today, where she started from and where she is today, and the amount of hard work that goes into it. I'm aware of that, so that's why I really admire the way she has grown.
Okay. Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone, 100% right. I remember I was in TV at that time when Deepika was launched.
Yeah.
And I had been, I had to go and perform at a wedding somewhere in Gujarat. Somewhere in Kolkata. And the only reason I agreed to be a part of it was because Deepika Padukone was also being a part of that wedding, and coming on the stage and just interacting with the guests over there. So I said I have to be on the same podium with her. I have to be, because I was just spellbound, by her when I saw her for the first time. And again, she's a woman who's always confident, and she is always fought all the odds, and she's an inspiration.
Okay. Nice. Kangana.
Kangana, I would really not comment on this, because I would be really, there's a lot of controversy going around this, and I would not love to be a part of it. If you ask me in a personal capacity, as a friend, after the call is over, I would definitely discuss and would love to know your point of views as well.
Okay. Radhika Madan.
Radhika Madan.
Yeah.
Super, yeah. Again, right. Because she's वो है यार, मतलब वो एक connection तो यही है कि she's very hard working. So I really admire people who grow so well in their life and grow with every step that they take. So yeah, and I think definitely, and I wish her all the luck. Yeah.
Last one, Shraddha Kapoor.
Shraddha Kapoor, again right. Why? Because she, since a long time we didn't have a really chirpy, bubbly, that cute girl was missing from the industry. We had, long back, we still have Preeti Zinta, But there was not another Preeti Zinta when she was absent in the industry for some time,
Yeah.
and busy with her other works, like things like cricket and all. But
Yeah.
and I miss her a lot. Preeti Zinta has been the only actor whose poster I had in my cupboard. I had pasted in my cupboard. So yeah, and then Shraddha Kapoor came, and I really loved her in her first film as well, which was
Yeah.
it was what was the
Ashiki.
name?
No, it
No,
was
before
friendship.
Ashiki.
No, it was
Yeah,
नहीं मुझसे नहीं नहीं.
something with friendship, something
Yeah,
with friendship,
something.
something with
Yeah.
friendship. Yeah, I really loved her in that film as well. I still remember the poster, and they're sketching on the poster. It looked
Yeah.
so cool, and it looked so chirpy, and she looked so full of life. I'm like, wow, yeah, we finally have another chirpy and bubbly face.
Okay, on that note, thank you, Pulkit, for giving your time to us. Good luck with Ash. I hope it is loved by everyone, and I hope to talk to you soon.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to. Thanks a lot.